Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. Let's see, have a look at this car here. This is the one that we waited for a long time because we needed to get the injectors into the actual for the car. So these are brand new injectors. This is the old one because this is such a big job. This one here just to get things apart. So I wanted to get new injectors installed so everything is brand new rather than actually putting it in and something fail and they fail later on. So this is the plates, baffle plates here. We cleaned it. That was really dirty, so it only goes one way. And if you look inside now, see how clean the intake ports are, and look at the valve. The valves there, the two trumpets. They are brand, looks like they're brand new. Spent a lot of time on cleaning it. Look at this one here. That's number 4. If you look at the video I done before, that's number 2. And if you're putting these baffle plates back on and it doesn't go all the way like that, that means it's the wrong way. So just take it out and turn it 180 and that will go in. Alright, and then we'll take number 1 out, brand new. Look at the port in there, nice and clean. Okay, so now we're going to install the injectors. Brand new injectors going to be installed. So these are the injectors, Bosch injectors. So we're going to install 4. This is the repair kits. They come with all the stuff I need. And then we're going to install that. Once we finish installing that, and then that's the brand new intake manifold. All assembled, ready to go on. Okay, we'll do another video when that's all done. And then we'll get back to, hopefully we can actually start up and get this car out this week. Okay. If you're looking for the fuel, the water pump, this is the water pump here. Coolant temp, right there. Temperature sensor, water pump, and the water pump drive is inside there. The little belt that runs off the actual, the bottom cam of the cam. And that's your oil cooler. Everything looks clean here, so we're just gonna finish this up and then we'll go from there. One more thing I ordered, sorry, I forgot to mention, is this new valve. That's a brand new blow-off valve. This one here. We had to order in because when we took the other one to check, the whole thing just, when we remove it, it wasn't intact. It was all just fell out. All the rubbers are all worn. It was in pieces. So now we're going to put a brand new one as well. And see if I can find the old one. Oh yeah, there's the old one, see? When you took it out, it's already coming apart like this. Usually that should be sitting there like that, but when we took it out, the whole thing just, that part there, that's an old bypass valve, blow-off valve, the whole thing just fell apart. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.